What up, YouTube? This is PJ, Mechanic of God. Guys, before I start with the frame, this is a Crossmember. This is Crossmember for Honda. And I would like to thank you guys for everything. I would like to thank you for subscribe. I would like to thank you as we share my video. I would like to thank you for comments. I would like to thank you for thumbs up, guys. And I'm very, very proud and I'm very happy when we leave a comment and then we share my video and we subscribe it. Right now, guys, I have a 2011 Honda Ridgeline Honda Ridgeline frame subwoofer. It's a frame. 2011 Honda Ridgeline. That's a Crossmember, guys. That's the Crossmember. And I just got that from the dealer, and it doesn't have that bushing. You see this one here? I just put it on, guys. They don't give it to you with anything, so you don't want to have to remove all your stuff, whatever that you have to change on your car, and you have to put it on the new one. So this one, you have all those bushing in it, but the frame is not good because it's crooked and you cannot use it no more. To get that from the dealer is like $1,200 or $1,300. It depends. If you have a license, a dealer license, you will get it for maybe $1,000 some change. But if you don't have a dealer license, you're gonna get it has like $1,500 to get this one. So what I'm trying to share with you guys, I wanna show you how to remove the bushing on it, because they don't give it to you with bushings. Those bushing right here, that's the one that screw the Crossmember on the car. So this is the tools that I use, guys. This is it. I use a 17 millimeter. That's a 17. I use a 17. And I use this one. You can use a short one, but you know, that's the one I use for to remove the bushings. So you stick this one in inside that hole. And what I do here, I put this one on top of this, because you cannot use a hammer to remove that. You spray a 4WD on it to make it loose. You know, you spray that 4WD, and hold on, let me see if I can put the phone somewhere, that way I can show you guys what I'm doing. So this is what I do. I put this is the tools to remove the pulley from the engine. You put this one here and you hook those two here. So that's the way that you remove that easy. So it's easy process. So I hold it here. So if it's too long, you control it here. You control it here to make it feet. So guys, bear with me because I'm using one hand. I'm holding the phone with the other hand. So this is the way that you can move it around until that you hold on that the cross member. So I go ahead and like this. Put it like this, and you hook it up there. Why it's so difficult for me, guys? Because I'm holding the. Okay, guys, as we can see here, the way that I hooked up this here, and I put that ball inside that hole, and now I'm gonna start to tie it up so that way that can push the bushing down. You have to take it off from on top so you can get down here from the bottom. So this is the way that I placed that tools here. That's the pulley tools. I place it like that, and after that I'm gonna hold it a little bit so that way I can start to tie it up. Don't go too fast, gentle on it. That means out. As soon as you hear that click, that means the bushing is out. This is going out. To put it in, it's easy. But to get it out, you have to get it out like that. So that way you won't damage the bushing. Okay. Just goes like that, slowly like that, to take it off. There we go. Now I'm out. This is it, guys. You see it? So this is the way that you remove the bushing on the Crossmember, Honda, or any kind of cars. As soon as you have that tools here, you have the pulley tools. You can remove the bushing from the Crossmember. This is Mechanic of God, and please leave me a comment, like, share, and a thumbs up, anything, guys. I will appreciate that. So when I take that off, and now I can go to the other one. I'm gonna show you before I go. So now that's the new one right now. What I do here, spray a little bit WD-40 on it. Spray a little bit WD-40, because this one is upside down. So I already put this one in. This is the first one that I removed, and he have a, it tells you, you know, letters, real, you know, it was a real front, or I think all of them got the same letters. It doesn't matter, you know. You can just put it on any on them. And you got a hammer. And it's in. So to remove it, I'll show you how to remove it. And to put it in, it's easy to get in. So when you remove it, you have to remove it like that because you don't want to damage anything. So to put it in, you can just spray a little bit WD-40 on it, and you put it there, and you hit it a little bit with the hammer, and it will get in. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video, guys, and please leave me a comment, and I will be I'm very, you know, I'll be very happy for that. Subscribe, guys, subscribe, thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you, guys.